Legally Speaking with Crocker Law.
Most of our topics here in Legally Speaking have centered around insurance and legal advice for car drivers. But Cindy, tell us a little bit about what you know for motorcycle drivers insurance.
That's a great question. You know, motorcycle drivers do face a lot of challenges on the roads that are different from cars. For one thing, just on the road it's different because, as any seasoned motorcycle driver will tell you, they have to be better than the average driver because cars don't always give them the same respect. People will pull out in front of a motorcycle or change lanes in front of a motorcycle when they wouldn't in front of a car. So the drivers have to be more careful. I will tell you this, though. I've had a lot of motorcycle accident victims as clients, and I think every single one, including one who lost a lot of his leg, wanted to and did ride motorcycles again. If people just love it and they, it gets in their blood.
Absolutely, but that's the difference that you say is on the road. But what about the difference that you find in the insurance? Is there any between cars and motorcycles?
Yes, there are real significant differences on a motorcycle than in a car. One of the things we've talked about on this show before was no-fault insurance. How if you're injured in an accident, that first $10,000 of medical bills is likely to be paid by insurance on the car you're in or a car in your household. Not so much true for motorcycle drivers. The law requires car insurance companies to offer that insurance and make it part of your policy, but not for motorcycles. So unless you specifically ask for that, you're not going to have that on a motorcycle.
So what advice then do you give for motorcycles seeking out insurance?
If I was a motorcycle driver, I would definitely see a local insurance agent when I bought my insurance. I wouldn't call some 800 number. I'd sit down with an agent and talk about my needs.
All right, Cindy, well, thank you so much for joining us, and please join us next time for Legally Speaking with Crocker Law.